Good morning. I am Harshit, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. We wish all our viewers and readers a very happy Independence Day on behalf of IT Voice team. In today's tech news, Google unleashes AI Powerhouse Pixel 9 series, expands after-sales support and retail presence in India. Lenovo Legion Tab with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC 2.5K display launched in India. Acer unveils new Chromebook laptops powered with AI in India. Zepto hits $5 billion valuation as quick commerce heats up in India. Sarvam AI partners with Yotta, unveils first commercial generative AI offerings. Files by Google Cloud include Circle to Search and AI Summaries. CLFS vulnerability let hackers trigger BSOD error on all versions of Windows 10 and 11 and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what was the first NVIDIA chip, and the answer is GeForce 256. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Which city is called Silicon City of India? Think you know the answer? We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We will reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin, so stay tuned to see if you got it right. Google has unveiled its new Pixel 9 series in India, marking a significant push into the Indian smartphone market. The series includes three models: the standard Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro 6.3-inch, and Pixel 9 Pro XL 6.8-inch, featuring Google's latest design language Gemini. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL features Super Actua displays with vibrant colors and high brightness. The standard Pixel 9 comes with a 6.3-inch Actua display, which boasts a 35% increase in brightness over the Pixel 8. The new series features a 42-megapixel front camera for sharper selfies and an upgraded rear camera system shared with the Pro models. The front camera now includes autofocus for clearer images. The Lenovo Legion Tab, launched on 13 August, features an 8.8-inch QHD Plus display with a 144Hz refresh rate and is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. It includes 12 GB of RAM and a 6550 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. The tablet's screen offers 98% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, a peak brightness of 500 nits, and a pixel density of 343 ppi. It supports TUV Full Care 2.0 certification for eye protection. The device comes with a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 2-megapixel macro shooter and an 8-megapixel front camera. It has 256 GB of onboard storage, expandable up to 1 TB via micro SD card. Acer has launched the Chromebook Plus 14 and 15 in India. Designed for the enterprise and education sectors, the laptop features built-in Google Gemini AI for enhanced productivity and performance. The Chromebook Plus 14 offers a 14-inch Full HD IPS display with high brightness options, while the 15 model features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. Both models support Google Photos Magic Eraser, File Sync, and AI-generated content. The Chromebooks are powered by Intel Core i3 N305 or AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. In the Plus 14 and up to Intel 13th Gen Core i7 135 5U. In the Plus 15, they support up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Zepto, an Indian grocery delivery startup, has raised $340 million, bringing its valuation to $5 billion. This represents a significant increase from previous valuations and highlights the rapid growth in India's quick commerce market. The Series G funding round was co-led by Journal Catalyst and Mars Growth Capital. Zepto competes with Blinkit and Swiggy's Instamart and is expected to achieve over $1.5 billion in annual sales. Quick commerce companies are gaining market share from traditional e-commerce giants. Zepto's growth reflects the increasing demand for rapid delivery services, contrasting with Amazon India's long-established presence. Sarvam AI, backed by Lightspeed, has partnered with Yotta to launch generative AI tools and models. The startup secured $41 million in funding last year to support this venture. The new offering includes Sarvam agents, Sarvam models, and an API for developers. Notably, Sarvam's 2B model is trained on Yotta's infrastructure with GPUs specifically designed for Indian businesses. Sarvam agents provide multilingual voice-enabled business agents deployable via various platforms. The Sarvam 2B model and Shuka 1.0, India's first open-source audio LM, cater to diverse enterprise needs. Reports indicate that Files by Google is testing a new circle to search feature for image searches and AI-generated summaries for text files. These updates aim to enhance user convenience and productivity. This feature allows users to search for information within images by circling or tapping on them. It currently appears in the beta version with a Google Lens icon and AI Sparkle used for smart search capabilities. The latest beta version 14515X includes AI-generated summaries for files containing text. Users can enable or disable this feature in settings, which utilizes on-device Gemini Nano technology. The vulnerability tracked on CVE 20246768 affects the Common Log File System CLFS.sys driver in Windows 10, Windows 11, and various Windows Server versions. It allows authenticated low-privilege users to cause a blue screen of death (BSOD) through improper input validation. This flaw can lead to system instability and denial of service (DOS) attacks, potentially causing data loss and operational disruptions. The issue arises from improper validation in input data, allowing repeated system crashes. Ricardo Narvaja demonstrated the vulnerability with a proof of concept exploiting specific values in a .blf file. The attack requires local execution but can be exploited without user interaction. This is Harshit Mathur signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all your tech updates.